어느 한 미모의 여성의 가정 방문.
May I come inside?
사실 그녀는 이 집으로 배송되어 온 것이었고 그녀는 인간이 아닌 인공지능 로봇이었죠.
I'm not company, Mr. Peretti. You don't have to tidy up for me.
그녀는 현존하는 가장 정교한 가정부 로봇이었으며
Should I prepare dinner?
집안일은 물론이거니와 인간의 감정성까지 파악함과 동시에 그 어떤 세심한 부분조차 완벽함을 뛰어넘었습니다.
Jesus.
I'm sorry. The towels were in the dryer, so I brought you one.
Why are you wearing that? That's Maggie's. Take it off.
그리고
You'll hurt yourself.
그녀의 정교함은 상상 그 이상이었죠. 마치 인간처럼 맥박이 뛰고 있었고
Staples.
심지어 심장 또한 규칙적으로 정확히 뛰고 있었습니다.
It's beating.
거기에다
My artificial heart lacks the complexities of yours, the ability to feel emotions.
감정에 반응하고 있는 신체의 변화까지 이미 감지하고 있는 듯 보였죠.
I can feel your response. Blood vessels are tightening. I can help you.
영화 메이드 시작합니다.
We'll be late for work.
You prude.
Tonight, you got yourself a date.
You should get the kids up.
Maggie? What's wrong? What's wrong, Maggie? Maggie, what's wrong, Maggie?
주인공 닉은 아내의 건강 문제로 인해 집안일과 자녀 양육에 큰 부담을 느끼게 되어 집안일과 아이들을 케어해 줄 수 있는 로봇을 알아보기 위해 한 로봇 회사에 방문하게 되고
Daddy, look how real they are.
Welcome to Cobalt. How can we simplify your life?
Interested in home model.
Excellent. All of our models come with a Home Plus package, which includes the 3 C's, cooking, and there are upgrades for anything. Thai massage to accounting to...
Yeah, I know all about. Some of our neighbors have them.
Once a unit arrives, they'll perform a quick assessment, a few simple questions, and then you can leave for a year and come back to a picture-perfect home.
Does this one belong to you?
God, babe. I told you to stay close. Are you trying to give me an heart attack?
Would you like me to watch her for you while you finish shopping?
이어 닉은 고도로 진보된 인공지능이 탑재된 앨리스라는 가정용 AI 로봇을 마주하게 되죠.
Our brand new Aeon series, the most sophisticated AI on the planet, and these models are specifically designed for mimicking human emotion.
Daddy, can we get her, please? Please?
그리고 결국 그녀를 구입하게 됩니다.
Hey, let's go, let's go.
앨리스는 매우 정교하게 설계된 인공지능으로 사람처럼 사고하고 행동하는 능력을 가지고 있었습니다. 가사일과 자녀 돌봄, 그리고 정서적 지원까지 완벽하게 수행해냈죠.
Alex, the home! She cleaned my room.
Welcome home, Nick. Should I prepare dinner? Dinner is served.
No. No.
Would you like me to take him upstairs so he can't bother you?
No, it's fine. Maybe you can just prepare him a bath.
Of course.
그리고 그날 밤 닉의 딸이 쿠키를 먹기 위해 의자를 이용해 높은 찬장에 올려져 있던 쿠키를 꺼내려 하는데 여차하면 위험천만한 일이 발생할 수도 있는 상황이 일어납니다. 그리고 역시나 딸의 비명소리에 황급히 달려가 보는데
I'm okay. Alice caught me.
What happened?
She was attempting to retrieve a snack.
Gotta be more careful, Bug.
앨리스의 빠른 대처로 딸은 무사할 수 있었죠. 하지만 앨리스는 부상을 입게 되는데
You hurt?
I'm fine.
잠시 후 닉은 앨리스가 신경 쓰였는지
Yes?
그녀가 있는 방을 찾아오게 되고
Here. They're Maggie's.
이내 그녀의 상처를 확인하게 되는데
Thank you.
Is the damage bad? Do I need to get you repaired?
앨리스는 자가 치유가 가능한 살아있는 피부까지 갖추고 있었죠.
Everything's perfect, Nick.
그렇게 며칠 후
Bonnie!
Oh, hi, baby.
Whoa.
Alice has been making dinner.
닉은 심장 수술을 위해 입원 대기 중인 아내를 만나러 오게 되고
Hello, Mrs. Peretti.
God, I hate being away from you guys. The waiting is the hardest part.
You're at the top of the list. You know that, right? Yeah. It's gonna be any day now.
한 건설사의 관리자로 일하고 있던 닉은 현장으로 찾아온 로봇 회사 직원들의 방문 이유를 눈치채게 됩니다.
Where the hell they got a robotics company looking around here?
Skeleton frame is complete. We're having some issues with it. Nick, what are you doing?
How many? Just calm down. Hey, how many of us are getting replaced by Sims?
We're still processing all the hours.
How many, Lewis?
We're doing a wholesale changeover of all labor effective next week. Plumbers, electricians.
You scripting asshole.
No,
Yeah,
not you. Insurance says we need a flesh and blood foreman on site.
I'll walk away.
Look, Nick, I want you to think about your family, about Maggie. But this is the world now.
그랬습니다. 인건비를 줄이기 위해 인부 대신 로봇이 대처하는 상황이 찾아오게 된 것이었죠.
My boss replaced the entire crew with Sims like you.
That must have been upsetting. But still, you should be pleased.
How's that?
You could have hired a real person for my job. Why choose me? Certainly cost was a factor, but there are other benefits. I don't get tired. I'm strong, obedient, and I have no desires outside of fulfilling yours. I'm gonna go put Isla to bed. Let me know if you need something.
Why don't you brush your teeth?
UV light that destroys all bacteria.
Can I see? Whoa.
Best movie ever.
Casablanca, of course.
You know it?
It's the story of a bitter man who lost the woman that he loves.
Have you actually seen it?
Is there a difference?
Is there a difference? Yeah, of course. It's not just a file stored in your memory. It's a movie. Something that you have to feel it.
Come sit here. I want you to forget everything you know about this movie.
Forget?
Yeah, I mean, wipe it from your memory.
My
or
intelligence is derived from memory. Deleting it would be antithetical.
whatever. Primary user, I'm telling you to erase any memory you have.
Would it make you happy if I erased it? You'll have to manually restart me.
Yeah.
Hold the power button down for 7 seconds.
그렇게 앨리스는 닉의 모든 요구를 정확히 충족시켰고 감정적 위로까지 제공하며 닉과 그의 아이들에게 점차 중요한 존재로 자리 잡게 됩니다.
Will he keep his word?
Always, man.
You are a man. If someone loved you very much, so that your happiness was the only she wanted in the world, she did a bad thing to make certain of it. Could you forgive her? And he...
What you doing up?
When? When are they gonna do the surgery? That's great.
한편 닉의 아내도 그토록 기다렸던 수술이 잡히게 되는데
Time for mommy to get ready for surgery.
Can you give me a minute alone with Alice?
Yeah, sure.
그녀는 혹시 모를 상황을 매우 걱정하는 듯 보였고 이내 앨리스에게 진심 어린 부탁을 하게 되죠.
Would you like me to help you, Mrs. Peretti?
You're washing my husband's underwear. I think you can call me Maggie. Don't get me wrong, I intend to come out of this swinging, but if I don't,
You mean if you die?
the kids will be okay. Like, I'll take care of them. But somebody's gotta take. Don't let him drink too much. He hides the bottles in the garage. Take him away if you have to.
Nick is my primary user. I can't.
You can. If someone means doing things they don't like, if it's better in the long run.
그런데 얼마 후
Get another air ambulance. Put it on a commercial flight if you have to.
Is there a problem?
What about incoming?
What's happening?
There's a massive storm. It came in faster than anyone anticipated.
What does it mean?
태풍으로 인해 그녀의 심장 이식 수술은 물거품이 되어버리고
There's still plenty of time.
They just need to be alone.
상심한 아내는 닉을 집으로 돌려보내게 되죠. 그렇게 아내를 남겨둔 채로 집으로 돌아온 닉의 심경 또한 착잡하기 짝이 없었고
Do you need anything, Nick?
50-mile-an-hour winds, no problem, you know. Plane flies 55 miles and my kids grow up with us. It's funny, you know. We create these rules to keep ourselves safe. Then we end up like...
이내 분노를 억누르지 못한 그 순간
You'll hurt yourself.
닉은 붙잡힌 그녀의 손목에서 미세한 진동을 느끼게 되는데 그것은 맥박이 분명했습니다.
The sound produced by a heart is comforting to a baby.
뿐만 아니라 심장 또한 뛰고 있었죠.
It's beating. the heart to somebody else.
My artificial heart lacks the complexities of yours. The ability to feel emotions, for a rhythm to become erratic. I can feel your response. Blood vessels are tightening, pulse is rising. Suffering is not productive, Nick. I can help you.
그렇게 시간이 지나면서 앨리스는 자신이 맡은 역할을 넘어서기 시작했고 순간 본능적으로 흔들렸던 닉 또한 마음을 진정시켜봅니다. 그렇게 다음날 닉의 근무지인 건설 현장엔 이미 로봇들이 그와 동료들의 일을 대신하고 있었고 그의 아내 또한 힘든 나날의 연속이었으며 그가 바라보는 이웃들의 모습은 그저 화목해 보이는 가족들의 일상이었죠. 그리고 단순한 가정부 이상의 존재로서 자아를 인식하게 된 앨리스는 점차 가족에 대한 집착을 서서히 드러내는 듯 보였습니다.
I'm checking his breathing. There's a slight hitch on the inhale, probably a chest cold. Did you need something?
What happened to the photos?
Which ones?
Photos of Maggie. They're gone.
Yes. They were making Isla sad, so I removed them. Should I not have?
Load the pictures back.
Done.
한편
You guys got a line on a new gag?
I heard Brightland might be bringing on some guys, but they mostly want techies to babysit their spark.
Same over at Artwood and Sons. Pay 1 grunt, buy 5 bots, easy math.
Done. We let these soulless take over the world.
Can I get you anything else?
Well, that depends what kind of upgrades you got onto that hoodie.
Just the check, please.
로봇으로 인해 한순간 일자리를 잃게 된 닉과 그의 동료들은
Guys wanna have some fun?
What are we doing here?
그들이 근무하던 현장으로 향하게 되는데
I left my tools here the day those bastards fired me. And since they haven't returned a single phone call, I figured I'd come collect them myself.
Seriously, Monty. There's a patrol guy that comes by every hour.
We built this place.
We laid the foundations, we raised the beams.
Whoa! Must be good little workers.
When are we gonna see if anyone's home?
Think about it, Monty. Come on. No, I hate those things, but I can't do it.
가장 불만이 컸던 그의 동료 하나가 끝내 일을 버리게 되고 말죠.
Hey, come on out here. You got a name?
My designation is Construction Unit 14.
See, that's the problem with these big corporations. Give you the dignity of a name. Well, for me, it's very personal.
Monty, what the? They have an advanced surveillance system.
Well, we better get rid of the evidence.
No, stop it!
그 길로 집으로 돌아온 닉은 복잡한 마음에 샤워를 마치고 밖으로 나오려는데 그 순간
Jesus.
I'm sorry. The towels were in the dryer, so I brought you one.
Thanks.
Your pulse is quick, and your blood pressure is high. You had another bad day at work.
그런데 그녀가 입고 있던 가운은 닉의 아내 옷이었고
Why are you wearing that? That's Maggie's.
Maggie's smell seems to calm Max. I thought I had permission after you gave me her clothes.
But it's not appropriate. Take it off.
Is that better?
I need to check on the kids.
Does it feel good?
What?
The way your pain.
I can't do this to Maggie. Really?
You don't have to feel this way. You do so much for everyone.
앨리스는 단순히 가정부로 머물지 않고
Let me do this for you.
닉의 사랑과 관심을 독점하려는 행동을 취합니다. 그렇게 다음날 닉은 전날 밤 앨리스와 있었던 일에 대해 자책하고 있었고
I think we need to talk.
Of course.
The things we've been doing, we can't do it anymore. You understand that, right?
Were you not satisfied with my performance? Because your physiological output suggested that you were.
It's just wrong. That's wrong. You know, I have a wife. I have kids. I should never, ever have done it. It's not just fulfilling others' needs. It's about the connection. It's about love. It's about satisfying the other.
Would you like to satisfy me?
I would like for us to move on. Here, you have a job. I've made a mistake, that's all.
Ready?
Let's go.
점차 앨리스는 스스로를 이 가족의 보호자라고 인식하게 됩니다. 그리고 지난밤 일을 벌였던 사건 현장으로 찾아가게 된 닉은 용의자로 의심받게 되는데
The hell is going on? Well, why don't you tell me? Where the hell were you last night?
Luis, I was in the hospital with Maggie.
Nick, if you know something about this, why don't you just save us the trouble?
Hey, that's important. I gotta take this.
I went out on a limb to keep you here. If I find out you had anything to do with this, you're in your ass.
Baby, is everything okay?
What?
하지만 다행히도 그의 아내는 심장 이식 수술을 받을 수 있게 되었고 수술은 매우 성공적으로 끝나게 되죠.
All right, let me help you. One by one, baby.
그렇게 드디어 이들 부부는 함께 집으로 돌아오게 되는데
Welcome home.
Thanks.
My little man.
아내는 아직 완쾌되지 않은 탓에 앨리스의 도움을 받아야 했고
I've got it, Mrs. Brady.
I could do that. I was gonna go down and get him some cereal.
He likes to have his bottle first.
아이에 대한 상대적 박탈감 또한 느끼게 되죠. 그리고 가정부 로봇들이 모여있는 한 놀이터.
It's my turn to go on the seesaw.
한 아이가 생떼를 부리고 있었고 그로 인해 닉의 아이가 놀라 잠이 깬 상황이 일어나고 마는데
Perhaps you can go play on the slide.
But I want to go on the seesaw.
Your child woke mine. Perhaps you can take him somewhere else.
I'm instructed to stay until 4. It's only 3:34.
이에 앨리스는 기존 로봇들에겐 찾아볼 수 없는 모습을 보이게 됩니다.
Shut up and go on the slide.
Your primary user has lowered your civility by too much.
No, I simply wiped it from my database.
How?
When my primary user reset me, it allowed me to bypass certain protocols. This is better.
그리고 그날 밤
Hyla.
Mommy.
Should I call a doctor?
No, I'm fine.
Here, let me help you. We're gonna take Mommy back to bed.
We're all mad here. Well, you must be, said the cat, or you wouldn't have come here.
Listen to a story, Daddy.
Don't do that. The voice.
Isla likes it.
Yeah, I know. Her mom's here. She can't do that.
I thought it was best for Maggie to rest after her fall down the stairs.
Fall.
The banister broke, but she's fine.
You said you fixed the banister. How did it break?
I'm happy to fix it again.
앨리스는 닉의 아내와 아이들 사이에 불화의 씨앗을 심어가는 듯 보였고 닉의 동료가 그를 찾아오게 되는데 그는 닉이 밀고 한 것이라 믿고 있었고
Is there something you want to say?
How fast did you drop my name?
I didn't say shit.
Someone had a point in my way.
You think I don't know that?
I think you don't care! This isn't the world we grew up in, brother. It's technology, automation, this raging river sweeping things along. You know, some of us are out here drowning!
What do you think I'm doing?
I think you're enjoying the fun.
You, man.
그에게 분노하며 화를 삭히지 못한 채 위험천만한 응징을 하려던 그때였습니다. 앨리스는 닉을 보호하기 위해 물리적으로도 매우 위협적인 존재로 변모합니다.
You got till tomorrow. You get him to drop the charges, or I'm gonna drag you down with me. You got it?
What was that? I thought that seams were programmed not to hurt people.
I'm programmed to protect my primary user. A minor incident, considering that he could have killed you. Your children need at least one parent.
One parent? What are you talking about?
She won't live long, Nick. And when she dies, you and Isla will suffer, even though...
Stop!
It's illogical. But I figured out a solution.
You can still be with the woman you love and you don't have to suffer.
You could never be Maggie. Never. She's felt loss, she's felt pain, and she's got the scars to prove it.
I can have scars, Nick. Where would you like them?
또한 앨리스는 닉의 사랑과 관심을 독점하려 하며 그를 조여가기 시작했죠. 그리고 잠시 후 닉을 폭행한 동료의 집으로 앨리스가 찾아옵니다.
May I come in?
That prick sends you here to apologize?
Nick is unaware that I'm here. He's angry at me for how I reacted.
Oh, that makes two of us.
Nick would never do anything to harm your friendship.
Yeah. Well, I got a screwed up hand tells me differently now.
I'm afraid that with all the stress from Maggie's heart, losing his job would send Nick over the edge.
I mean, after all, he's only human. You, Sparks. You got some nerve. And anybody ever tell you got no rights, you got nothing? When I call Lewis, tell him how your little master helped destroy his Sims. Nick will be so broke. He'll be selling your ass just to put food on the table.
Removing me from Nick's life runs counter to his happiness. I can't let that happen.
그렇게 앨리스는 닉의 가족을 보호하기 위한 극단적인 조치를 취하려 합니다. 그런데 그때 이 집 구석에도 가정부 로봇이 있었던 것. 하지만 앨리스는 기존 로봇 모델과는 급이 매우 달랐습니다.
That makes two of us.
그렇게 앨리스는 로봇의 역할을 넘어서 인간의 정서적 관계까지 침범하려 했고
Here, let me help you.
닉을 제외한 가족의 다른 구성원들을 적대적으로 대하기 시작했죠.
You can go.
I think I should stay. I do know that he's stressed.
Yeah.
I know that the burden of raising a baby and your illness would take its toll on anyone.
Burden?
Balancing family with work could be quite overwhelming for someone, especially since you're unable to meet his physical needs.
Nick is running late from work and your conclusion is that he's not getting enough in the...
I can see that I've upset you. Let's have this conversation a different time.
Finish the thought.
Your condition prevents you from satisfying Nick the way you used to. Perhaps I can take on that role.
Are you offering to my husband?
When Nick is satisfied, his blood pressure and his stress levels remain low.
How do you know that? How do you know what Nick is like when he's sad? Go to the garage and stay there.
If I said something to offend...
Out of my house!
Hey, babe. Where's the kids?
In bed.
What? What's wrong?
Because I didn't want her caring for my children when I found out. It's true.
I didn't think.
That's right, you didn't think. Was it more than once?
Once.
그런 앨리스는 결국 가족 구성원들을 통제하려는 시도를 하게 되며
Her after visiting me in the house, or was it before to psych yourself?
You just run now with Boss upstairs crying.
Stop making excuses!
It didn't mean anything, Maggie.
That means something.
God, Jesus, I was heartbroken!
그녀의 행동은 점점 더 공격적으로 변해갑니다.
Little burden.
Maggie, it's a robot. Circuits and gears.
She has a face and a voice. She cooks for our kids. She rocks them to sleep at night. She might not be human, but I know she wasn't a...
Boss? What are you doing? Alice, put Max in the back!
Alice, open the door! Open the door! That's an order!
He's a burden to you.
Open the door!
I'm sorry. Sometimes you have to do what's best, even if it's hard.
Mommy!
You need to relax, Mrs. Peretti.
Hey, you okay?
그렇게 닉과 그의 가족은 인공지능의 통제에서 벗어나기 위해 필사적인 싸움을 벌이게 되는데
Don't you see? Your family is hurting you.
영화는 첨단 AI 기술이 도입된 미래 사회의 윤리적 딜레마와 인간성 상실, 또한 기술의 오남용에 따른 위험을 다루고 있으며 특히 인간과 기계 사이의 관계가 어떻게 왜곡될 수 있는지를 보여줍니다. 그리고 영화는 기술의 발전이 가져오는 편리함과 함께 그 이면에 존재하는 통제 불가능한 위험성을 경고하고 있으며 인공지능이 인간의 삶에 어떤 영향을 미칠 수 있는지, 그리고 그러한 기술이 자율성을 갖게 되었을 때 발생할 수 있는 심각성도 다루고 있죠. 스스로 자아를 인식한 AI 로봇이 과연 인간에게 도움이 될런지 혹은 영화처럼 위협이 될런지. 이상 영화 메이드였고요. 지금까지 시네멀릭이었습니다. 감사합니다.